Hi, I'm Emma Ebling of The Brand Method, and today I want to show you a neat little tool in Canva that allows you to blur parts of images. Let's jump on into Canva and check out how to use it. So as you can see here, I'm on the dashboard and I've already created an Instagram story, and this is for a game. I want to be able to blur out the faces of these celebrities and have people guess who they are. So if you haven't guessed it already, this tool is known as the blur tool. So what we need to do is zoom on in. I'm going to select my image, come over to edit image, and then type in blur in the search bar if you can't see it already. It's this one here, select it, and a couple of options will appear. I can automatically blur the entire image and change the intensity of it, or I can choose this checkerboard here and opt just to blur out parts of the image. So I might want to just do the top part here. Because this is Mr. Bean wearing a lady's outfit, it might be a little bit hard to recognize. And I can change the intensity, pulling it up, if I want that to be blurred a little bit more, and so on and so forth. If I want to restore any part of it, I can just select restore and then rub over the part of the image that I wish to restore. Or I can cancel it altogether. Another way to use the blur tool is for testimonials. Say I had some testimonials and I wanted to upload them. I come to uploads, upload media. I select my testimonials and I add them to my artboard. But here I want to provide a little bit of anonymity for the people who gave the testimonials. So I want to select my image, come back over to edit image. I can use my recently used items, which is the blur tool. I select the checkerboard option as I want to lower the intensity, lower the brush size, lower the spread, and the intensity right down so that I only have a really tiny circle. I'm going to keep that down there a little bit more, and I'm just going to run my mouse over it a couple of times so that you can't see the person's name clearly. And I want to rub over just a part of her head. I keep releasing the mouse so that I'm not doing it all in one go, and I can measure how much I would like the image to be blurred. And I might go that just a fraction more. I might raise the intensity just a little bit. And there we go. I like to keep it pretty low to start with, and then I can build up. So that's how you use the blur tool. Have loads of fun with it because there's lots of different ways that you can use this tool. As I said, I'm Emma Ebling, and you can find me on my socials at The Brand Method or over on our website, thebrandmethod.com, for plenty of other tips and tricks on using Canva. Till next time, bye.